Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I'd love you to hit that subscribe button before leaving and give it a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get started. So today's video, I feel so bad because in my beauty chit chat group on YouTube, on Facebook, I have mentioned that there is this bronzer that I absolutely love for fair skin, and I've recommended it to some of the women, and I told them I'd do a video on it, and I'm sorry that it's taken me this long to do it. So here I am doing that video for you like I promised. So it is all about Bare Minerals. It is the Invisible Bronze. I have it in the lightest shade, Fair to Light. It reminds me of the one that everybody loves from Hourglass, but the price point is cheaper. And it gives that same like luminosity as that one. So I just want to show you what it looks like on my skin. I don't know if you can see that I just swatched that, but it is this beautiful light color that just kind of warms up your face and gives you that sun-kissed glow, especially if you have fair skin. So Bare Minerals, I have to tell you, has been blowing me out of the water. I used to wear their products years and years ago, but the reason why I stopped is because most of them are loose and they just made a mess in my bathroom or travel bag. But I love the colors. And so I have to tell you, if there's anything that you buy from Bare Minerals, it is definitely this bronzer and this powder. This powder is the translucent touch-up veil. This powder makes your skin look amazing. It does not make a difference what foundation I am wearing. This blurs my pores. It makes my skin just look super smooth, and it feels like silky smooth under on top of every single foundation I've ever put it on top of. I love this, and I will definitely repurchase this. This is better than my Laura Mercier, Bye Bye Pores, you name it. I love this powder. So if you buy anything, I suggest this, and I suggest the bronzer. It is beautiful. Okay, so when you buy it, it comes with this little card inside, or at least mine did, where it shows you how to contour. I honestly have never been one to contour. I a lot of times use it as like a blush or add it to my blush to do it. So we're gonna try it this way today, since this is how they suggest to do it. So I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to, let's see, first it says to swipe down. So I'm gonna go right on top of my blush, and I'm just gonna swipe it down, following the arrows on the card. Okay, look how much that just brightened up. Okay, and then it says that you go up around, just following this card, you go up around your forehead. Ooh, it looks like I've been out in the sun. Okay, and then you put a little bit on your nose. I'm gonna do my chin too, it doesn't say that. But basically when you do bronzer, you usually wanna do it on the places that sunlight would naturally hit, kind of like a highlight, but instead with the bronzer. So this is what the card had me do. I just added a little bit. Oh, they did do it to the chin. I missed that. Oh, I don't know if you can see that with the way the light is, but they did add a little bit to the chin too. So I did the same thing, and my face like just all of a sudden looks sun-kissed, and it's glowing. It's not too dark. It's the perfect shade for anyone who has fair skin. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this because I know I've talked about it in the Beauty Chit Chat group, and this bronzer is amazing. So if you're looking for one, it's just like the Hourglass, but it's cheaper. And it gives you the same look. It just has this beautiful sun-kissed luminosity to it. So this, and I would also highly recommend the Mineral Veil because I love this powder. If you're wondering what else I have on my face, I will link it all down below. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye guys.